the knife tool is in the category of the crop tool. So once you press the crop tool down, you see the knife tool. So here it is, you click on it. So page down. So it's used to slide an object to slit into two separate objects, either directly with a gap or an envelope. So let's dive in. You press page down. So let's apply it to these things, these images. Let's control and let's right click on it on group all. So click outside. So this place, let's click on the knife tool and see the knife tool. So under the properties bar, we have 2.9 mode. Let's use this first. It's used to split. You can check more information here on the hints or lane, depending on the corridor you're using. So you click here and drag. You see that it has been splitted. Once you have done that, you click outside and you see it, or you press the escape key. So and you see it's splitted. So let's work on this one. Click on the shape and the knife tool. So you look on this freehand mode. Slice an object along a freehand curve. That's the work. You click on it. This is how you want to do it. And you see it has cut. So you press on escape on your keyboard. Then you change the tool to pick tool. Can you see that you can split it? You have already splitted it into. Can you see that it is splitted into an envelope, a freehand? It's not straight like that one. It's splitted into envelope. So here we'll come to the last one. So I'll come to the last. So Bezier mode. Can you see the Bezier mode? It's used to create a curve. Can you see it? Can you see it? Let's assume this how it is. So you create, let's see this how it is. You click on the node and curve it to where you want. The first node, you click on where you want it to be. Then you will now curve it. You will now click on the second point to where you want the node to be. Can you see it? Let's assume this is okay for us. So once it is okay, you can press escape. So it's not okay. So let's assume this is what we want to do. So this way, then you join them on. It's okay. Press backspace. You can zoom it down. Let's click this selection. So you come there, change it to Bezier. You click it. This is the first one. Then you click on this second node. It's loading. So you have to be patient. If not, the work will close. You have to be patient when using it. So move it up. It's still loading. Don't click on it. Just be patient. What is happening is the work is saving in the background. There's a background process here. So let's see it. So this one. So press here. You can click on enter. And it has separated. MashaAllah. So this is how it is. You can decide to work on it. depending on the concept you want to create. Can you see it? It cuts through the part. So let's zoom to page. So this is how it is. This is what you can do with the crop tool. You can explore more. You're welcome.